Hi guys, welcome to Cashflow Vision. Today we are going to talk about in fundamental analysis and its importance. Guys, in last lecture we had seen that the fundamentals are based in reality. Fundamental analysis helps to determine the reality and take decisions accordingly. Due to current conditions, you may have observed the share prices of many well known companies have gone down. So, will fundamental analysis help the investors to understand if one can invest in certain company or not? Why we invest in stock market? Why we try to select good companies to invest? Because we need better ROI, better than any other financial instrument. So, how will one identify if a particular listed company is good and one can invest in the company's shares? दोस्तों, स्टॉक मार्केट में हम निवेश करना क्यों चाहते हैं? क्योंकि हमारा एक्सपेक्टेशन ये रहता है कि जो आरओआई मिलेगा वो डेफिनेटली किसी और अदर इंस्ट्रूमेंट से बढ़िया होगा। लेकिन क्या ये हमेशा ही सही हो सकता है? मैं कैसे चुनूं कौन सी कंपनी के शेयर्स लूं? मुझे कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा? क्या मुझे कौन मदद कर सकता है ये चुनने के लिए? तो आइए आज देखते हैं फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस। Guys, in today's lecture, we are going to see how fundamental analysis will help us to understand many factors linked to company's performance. First, revenue. One needs to see if the company's revenue is decent enough to grow further. Whether company is generating decent revenue. If the answer is yes, then how much is the revenue? Is it on constant basis? And if not, why there was a break? What is the trend of this revenue on QOQ or YOY basis? Checking financial performance of a company is one of the important steps before taking investment decisions. Point number 2, leadership position of a company. What is the market position of a company in which one is thinking to invest the money? One needs to understand and ask this question to himself or herself. If the company is market leader and has strong potential to grow further, then one can think about investing in such shares. Point number 3, competition, a very important factor. One also needs to understand the competitive nature of business. If there is a lot of competition in business, then company may find it a little difficult to earn huge profits as there would be a stiff competition in that area. However, if a company has no or less competition in their business due to their innovative ideas, then definitely one can see a decent growth in company's earnings. Point number 4, business model. Guys, understand, business model is very important before investors put their funds in business. One should invest their money in a business they understand. One should see what is the business model, how it is working, what is the success rate, etc. etc. Fundamental analysis would help investors to understand qualitative and quantitative factors of business. दोस्तों, फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस में कंपनी का रेवेन्यू, कंपनी की लीडरशिप पोजीशन, कंपटीशन, बिजनेस मॉडल ये भी मायने रखते हैं। आप जिस कंपनी में निवेश करना चाहते हो, क्या वो अच्छा रेवेन्यू जनरेट कर पा रही है? मार्केट में उस कंपनी की लीडरशिप पोजीशन क्या है? उस कंपनी को कितना कंपटीशन है? उस कंपनी का बिजनेस मॉडल क्या है? इन सवालों के जवाब मिलना बहुत ज़रूरी है और वो हमें ढूंढने हैं। Guys, we shall continue with some more interesting topics on fundamental analysis in our next chapter. Till then, take care, stay safe. Yeah, stay safe. Yeah, stay safe. Yeah.